Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Rabbit Kid Foods for amazing recipe. Guys, Rabbit Kid Foods is a channel which deals with African traditional recipe, modern travel and events, and also breakfast tips and ideas. So if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Remember also to switch on the notification bell so that you can always be notified when a new video is in. So guys, today I'm back with a recipe. I want to share with you how to make some good, tasty dessert that you can use, especially now we are approaching Christmas season and also the weather. I think that's the best recipe that you can make. So I'm going to do two in one. I'm going to make one dessert for orange dessert, and I'm going to make for kiwi dessert. Kiwi fruit is very healthy fruit, and its dessert is so kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, the dessert that I'm going to do for the fruit of orange. I have my oranges here. I'm going to make orange dessert, and I have some small fruits here called kiwi, so I'm also going to do for kiwi. So the ingredients that I'm going to use, I'm going to use cornstarch. This is milk. This is plain yogurt. I have my sugar here. So let's get to the cooking. So guys, I've just placed my milk to heat, and this is where I'm going to make the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my dessert. So from here, what I'll do first is to add sugar and keep stirring until it heats up. So stay tuned. So you can either use white sugar or brown sugar. I've just added brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. So what you have to do is just to keep stirring. Make sure you stir until it gets thicker, until the milk gets thicker and thicker. Once you see the texture changing, getting thicker, now you can add the cornstarch. So guys, I'm adding a tablespoon of cornstarch to it and give it a good stir again. You can see I'm waiting for the texture to change. So at this point, I have my yogurt here. I'm going to add my yogurt. So when I'm making yogurt, make sure you use plain yogurt. So I'll switch it off and let it cool. You can see now my nino is thick, so I'm going to let it cool for a while. Meanwhile, I'm going to peel off my fruits. You will make sure you peel your oranges them off so that it can remain with the inner side part. So stay tuned. So guys, so unfortunate, one of my kiwi was not fresh, and like I've left it out. So after peeling your oranges, I love this kind of dessert because in fact I find it sweet. So, and it's also simple to make, especially if you have a large family. So just use a skewer stick or bamboo skewer stick for that. So what I'm going to do, I have my container here. I'm going to cut this container. This is just okay. So I'm going to drop my oranges here. So this bamboo stick is just to help you hold this, otherwise you can always remove it. Then I will add my milk. It's very creamy, so I'll make it this way. So from here I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and you'll see how my dessert is going to come out. So stay tuned. I also have this slim bottle. I'll use a skewer or bamboo stick. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator also for 2 hours. So stay tuned and look at and wait. Let's wait for the result. Look at my dessert. So I'm leaving them in here for about 2 hours. So stay tuned. The kiwi dessert and the orange dessert. So after just 2 hours in the fridge, so I'm going to do them. So what I'll do is just to cut off. So guys, I'll cut it. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So guys, look at my orange dessert. So this is one of the for Christmas recipes. So especially this weather, maybe after meals, after people have taken lunch, they've taken their fruit salad. So around that time when the sun is high, this is the best time to serve this. Very, very nice and tasty. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching this. Let me do the kiwi one. It's the one for kiwi. I'll tear this one out too. Now guys, this is the simplest way of doing fruit dessert. So guys, these are my fruits desserts. Here we have the orange dessert, and here we have the kiwi dessert. So these are some of the Christmas recipes that you need to make. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you try it out, and let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.